In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Google Sheets using the Hyperlink function, a handy tutorial for 2025. Whether you're compiling data, organizing a project, or simply juggling multiple resources, hyperlinks can make your Google Sheets more dynamic and interactive. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your Google Sheet. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create a new sheet by visiting Google Sheets on your browser. Once you're in your spreadsheet, the next step is to select a cell. Just click on any cell where you want the hyperlink to appear. Choosing the right cell is important because this is where you'll be directing your audience to another resource or website. One of the simplest ways to create a hyperlink is by copying and pasting a URL directly into your selected cell. Just head over to your browser, copy the URL you wish to link, and paste it into the cell in your sheet. Once pasted, Google Sheets typically recognizes it as a link, so you're good to go with minimal fuss. Now, let's explore another method. Click on the Insert option found in the menu bar at the top of your screen. This step will reveal a drop-down menu with various options, but what we're looking for is Link. Click on Link to proceed. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to enter two pieces of information: the website name and the URL link. Begin by typing in the name you wish to appear in the cell as the hyperlink text. For instance, if you're linking to an official website, you might type the website's name. Following this, paste the actual URL link of the website in the designated field. Once both fields are properly filled out, click on the Apply button to finalize your hyperlink. With this, you've successfully inserted a hyperlink into your Google Sheet using the Insert method. Another efficient method to create a hyperlink is by using the Hyperlink function. This involves typing a formula directly into the cell. Begin by clicking into the cell where you want the hyperlink to appear, then type the formula. X hyperlink http://instagram.com/Instagram. This formula creates a clickable hyperlink where Instagram will be the text visibly displayed in the cell, and clicking it will take you to the Instagram website. After typing the formula, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. And there you have it, a fully functioning hyperlink in your Google Sheet, achieved in 3 simple ways. I hope you find these methods helpful in making your spreadsheets more interactive and easier to navigate. As always, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy hyperlinking!